All right, so here we go. Concrete got to be coming in. He's washing his hose right now. Ready, his tools are there. There's a, you can tell a concrete guy by his tools. Concrete finisher. I had one time a guy that said he knew how to do concrete, and I said, well, where's your levels and lasers? He says, I see it, and he pointed at his eyes, and then he says, I do it. There was no tools, so I told him to go home. Stop! There you go.
Underneath the building.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get that hose.
Sorry. Good morning. How you doing? I'm the contractor on the job. Will I be paying you or Fred?
I've got the COD, yeah.
Okay.
You'll be paying me.
Right now. My name's Gabe.
My name's Russell.
Nice to meet you. Thank you. Appreciate you coming. So I'm just doing a video here. I try not to take faces. So you got your water in there?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah, so far so good.
There we go.
Tapamos, ya me trajeron el video. So I'm going to the red line, huh? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Keep it clean. It's finished. Keep it clean, Freddie. Okay, whatever you say. Ese palo se podrá cortar un poquito más. ¿Cuál? El más chiquito le puedes cortar un pie. ¿Tú crees? Por favor. ¿Afuera? ¿Los das afuera? ¿Dónde los dejé? Mejor. Yeah, they're up along the fence. Oh yeah, when you said so. Just gonna get in there and do that, and I'll get this.
He's doing it too high, huh, Fred?
No. Is everything okay, Freddie? I had a beer last night. What's a beer? You're like way too high. I had a michelada last night.
He's going higher.
I don't know if I was gonna go have two, but no, I figured
We need to pray for Fred.
Gabe,
Yes, sir.
this board right here moved a little bit.
Oh, no.
That 2x4?
Can your guy pull it back?
Yeah. Can you put anything back there to hold it?
Let me see if I got
Like
something.
a brick or something?
He wants a brick. It's like Joe Biden says, come on, man. So just pull it back
Yeah.
so we get that straight line.
Yeah. Let's see what I can do here. And then something about this side.
Yes, sir. So Fred is going up to the line.
Yeah. Yeah, he'll push it up right now. Let me go ahead and put some up here.
So he's getting the edges first.
Sorry. I just want to hold it in place.
Right?
Okay. Hey, no, I don't need more of it. That's all whole. You grind already. That's all whole. That's you. Ya está ciego, pues.
Yeah. Y sordo.
Necio.
Hey, stop right there.
Ok, aquí salgo por 4. Gracias, amigo.
That's your screed?
¿Te traigo el otro parámetro también? Sí, por favor, sí.
Hey, Gabe,
Yes, sir.
we charge more when you take videos.
Yeah, I know. That's what they
We're
say.
actors and we're part of the Actors Guild.
You are?
Yeah.
Well, you're not a Democrat, are you?
I'm nobody. I'm nothing.
Me neither.
I follow God's law.
I believe in Jesus Christ, and that's my politics.
That's my team right there.
Yeah.
You know?
That's nice. You and the Father.
I stand on Christ at the rock.
Okay, so you want me to wait here, Danny?
Yeah.
In the meantime, let's pull back some hose, Richard. Could you just pull me from here? Okay, Richard, just to stay here and pull me, and I'll get it back there.
Okay.
You ready?
This is it right here.
Well, we don't want to pull a hole out back because we might go over there too.
Yeah, he
Back a little,
doesn't. He
huh?
doesn't want to kink the hose.
Okay. I think that's enough.
Okay.
Things get kinky, right?
No, that's okay. And that's fine.
enough?
And you know what we'll do is we'll start pulling that out that way.
Okay.
Because if we have more,
clean out?
we're gonna put some in the wheelbarrow.
Okay.
As a matter of fact, whatever water's in that wheelbarrow, we might want to dump it.
Do your legs ever get tired being stuck in that mud?
You know what? At first they did because you're not used to it, but after a while,
Yeah.
yeah.
After a while, you just know that's what's coming.
Yeah.
Your legs are ready.
Just get used to it.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Now that pressure from the concrete will seal and anything coming through, huh?
Oh yeah. It seals everything, all the little cracks, everything.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Because that's a lot of concrete, man.
Are you guys ready?
Freddie,
Yes, sir.
if you can't give me this edge over here,
Okay.
I'll get all the edges and I'll start going up.
Okay.
Thank you, Freddie.
Yeah.
I can do whatever you say.
What?
Excuse me. You want all the edges. God, you're picky.
So he has this control on the side, and he starts his pump based upon that control. There goes the step.
I'll get you just a little bit of a step.
Sure.
Because we need a
I'm
room.
gonna leave.
Go for it. Okay, sir? Okay. Wait. Okay, Gabe, I'm gonna go
Yes,
for
sir.
Okay, I'm gonna turn it on and we'll go over here.
Celebrate. Good job, Mr. Fred.
Yeah.
Where'd you learn how to do this?
My dad.
Oh, nice.
Best finisher in the world.
Is he?
Yeah.
Well, to
He,
play.
he was number one.
Wow. Well, our
Then he's
parents,
number two.
our parents were amazing, wasn't they?
Oh my goodness. Everything I know is because of him. He taught me everything.
Yes.
Just passed away a month
He
ago.
taught me how to fight.
Wow. How old was he when he passed away?
88, 89.
Wow.
Good Lord. I remember when he was still in his like late 60s, early 70s. He would get like a little job like this. He'd
Yeah.
get a 4-yard job,
Yeah.
and he'd get about 4 of his buddies to finish it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Well, it's all about teamwork.
Well, it was just to socialize. It was, he wasn't really interested in making any money. He just wanted to get guys out there and work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's a worker.
Yeah, I said, 4 yards, Judge? You got 4 finishers? Yep. Okay.
Why are you getting one?
You're working him hard.
Because you're young. Because you're not 60, 70 years old. You may look it, but you're not.
What?
Oh gosh,
Yeah.
That-
That's harsh.
that was unexpected.
Yeah. Well, no, I did.
So what we want to do, Richard, is just kind of keep the hose out of the concrete, because you know, so it does, just keep it under dirt, because we got to drag it through the house, and I don't want to get. You know,
So you got the hard job. You get the hose.
and we'll just start hauling it out that way, because I think we're going to have more than enough.
Okay, ready?
All right. I'm just waiting. I'm just being I'm patient.
Patience.
It's always good to be patient.
Which one are you using? This
This
one?
shorty just to get out of that corner.
Straight. Oh man, that's straight as an
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh shoot, yeah.
Did you do it right?
It's straight.
So what is he doing there?
He just goes from one level to another and pulls them up down.
It seems like he's doing a good job.
Hey, Benny,
Yeah.
Gabe has a house in Redlands that he's gonna need some concrete work.
Yeah, he just,
Yeah,
I told him I was out there.
yeah. Benny's doing a job out there.
Is he?
And I just finished up a driveway. Remember that driveway out there?
We were supposed to be over there today with Freddie. Morning.
Yeah.
We started setting up the driveway because we're up to the driveway now.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Freddie.
You go down that way.
We got a lot of driveway there. So
Woo! Yeah, buddy.
You still need that guy, right?
No.
For this?
Go over here, yeah. We just go back.
Okay.
I'm gonna finish this one. We're ready here.
Gabe, you got a shovel? A square shovel?
do we have a square shovel?
One in my truck.
Can you get it? Okay, he's gonna go get it real quick.
Okay. Just in case we need a shovel from back. I don't want to go too far. I was telling Gabe, Benny, that a lot of people are do this. They fill in
Yeah.
these
Yeah, I've seen a lot of these lately.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
It's just a safety factor, you know that.
Well, yeah. And that's what we're trying to accomplish.
Go ahead, Freddie.
Is Richard back there? Hey, Rich. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you were Richard.
We need to pull this.
Yeah. If you could just pull it out towards the screen door.
Okay.
Just about a foot or so.
How's that?
That's good right there.
How do you like me now?
That's good.
Is that good? Here comes Ricardo with the shovel. You see it, 56? You guys are in there?
Sorry, huh?
Finally. Long time needed.
Okay, let's pull it back out that way, Richard.
Okay, Richard is strong. This guy's like a bull. He doesn't mess around.
Okay, that's good right there.
Hello there. Good morning.
Good morning. Oh, and you're gonna need the little guy. Where'd that little guy go? Oh, here it is. If there was a snake, it would have bitten.
We're done with this one.
So,
We can wash it probably and then I'm gonna cut the joints with that.
Richard, let's take this out in front in the grass. Well, I can take it.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
Can you hand me my float with one tubo?
Yeah, just put it down there. Your float with one hole?
Yeah.
Okay.
yes.
One pole. Where are the poles?
Right there.
Oh my God.
Over here.
It's coming together, right?
Over here by Gabriel.
I see them.
Wow.
You got him? We're in here. We're in their way. That's a float. He's floating.
Is this my float?
It could be. You got it here.
In there. Yeah, you did.
Those things actually for it.
You want it on the first hole or second hole?
Second, whatever.
Well,
Whatever, bro. That's fine. Whatever's
put it on the
safe.
first one. Because it might not go in the second one. And I don't want to fight it. My fighting days are over.
So he's floating, huh?
Yeah. And he's doing it now while he has a chance.
Yeah.
Oh, we'll just hold on to this. Let me get out of his way because it's real here. So what's for breakfast? Did you say micheladas?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, I'm staying.
I heard enchiladas.
You heard enchiladas? I heard micheladas.
With my head right now, yeah.
Uh-oh. Oh no. There's a pill they say you can take now that'll prevent
Ready?
the crudo. Yes, I'm coming. Where do you want it now?
Out there. Outside, wherever.
Let me get this way.
Nobody trips on it, no?
Okay.
Nice.
I'll come today.
Sorry, Frank. I'm gonna use it right now.
Yeah, it's just it's out there.
Okay, I'm gonna cut it here.
Yeah, let me get you some edges here.
We got to get some. Hey, Ricardo. Ricardo, can you grab that plastic out of the way, or cut it, or
This one?
no, that one on the side. Yeah.
That one is for the zipper.
Yes. Oh, okay. We just need to put it up here. You guys have the tape?
Where's that shovel right there? Thank you. Tape. Where's the tape though?
Tape measure?
No, so he can tape it.
So you can tape it. Do we have any tape there? We had it on top of here, and we moved it.
I don't see it up here.
So that's okay.
Hold that one right there. I can go get one from the
Yeah,
truck.
yeah.
I got it. You got it? You got it, Toyota? Okay, your trowel's right there, baby.
See the Cadillac, not a Toyota.
I like the Cadillacs. And the Chevys.
Chevy.
Oh, no.
GM. You heard about GM, what they did, right?
Well, they couldn't make cars, so now they're making ventilators.
Yeah, but they didn't want to. They were trying to diss Trump. Yeah, so Trump had to invoke the Powers Act. Yeah, GM, you know.
Somebody told me that about Ford, Benny. They said that Ford couldn't make cars, so they made ventilators. I got mad because I'm a Ford guy. Well, I'm a Dodge guy now.
Yeah.
For many years, I was a Ford guy. So what do you want to do, Benny? You want to bullfoot that a little bit?
Yeah, let me get this.
Okay. You still need this little guy, right?
He's got to get in the corners. There you go.
Can you just hold that up right there?
Yeah, he needs it, right?
Yeah. But I need to give him a little bit more stuff. Yeah, he needs it, but don't go far away with
Thank you, sir.
And as soon as you get out of there, Benny, I'll give you the rest.
I'm below the top of that floor because your line's lower.
Did you see that?
Oh,
Because this raised, this corner is loose, so
it raised?
yeah. But it's flat right here.
Yeah, we want it flat.
Yeah. So he has
Level.
it to the line
But
and
this-
then to the end of the board.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
See the
there-
line?
Yeah,
You see the line right there?
yeah. As long as the line is there, that's what we want.
Yeah. You know, Freddie, can you hold that up for me?
Okay.
Hold on. The carpet's coming down.
Do you have it there, Richard?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to get it with the shovel.
How many guys does it take to finish your slab?
Ah.
As many as it takes.
Well, back in the day, one finisher used to be 10 yards. Isn't that right, Benny? Not
It all
anymore.
depends what it is, though.
It all depends what it is.
Yeah, if it's
It
three
could be-
quarter.
If there's a lot of detail, a lot of
It could be
joints.
2 yards, but you need 4 guys.
Yeah.
Like pool cooking and stuff.
And especially if you start doing stamping and stuff like that. Ooh, man.
You need 6,
You need a lot for
a lot of guys.
a lot of guys. I didn't believe it at first. You know, I thought, 4 guys, should they do this? But when I saw what they were doing,
Yeah,
and if you want it done right, 'cause
I
I
mean,
see,
if you're just pouring a base,
yeah,
you know.
'Cause
yeah.
I see guys, Gabe,
Did you see that flow, Freddie?
they try to get away with. Richard, hold on to that. I see guys try to get away with Gabe with short-handed guys,
Yeah.
and they lose it.
Mm-hmm. So you're gonna float that
Yeah, that, and then this I can flow from.
from outside.
Yeah.
Okay, here you go.
So what do you think the drying time on this will be?
So while he's doing that, what do you want out there? Because we have enough.
You want to show them where you want it?
Just that corner where it slabs in.
Okay.
You want to make it.
Show them how much you want.
So can I just fill with the wheelbarrow? Because I don't think I got enough holes to get over there. So let me get this guy. Hey Benny, I'm gonna do something over there.
Is it a lot?
Well, not a lot.
Doesn't need it that much. That's good.
Okay, hold on.
He's got more, but do you have another area you want to pack in with concrete? Oops, sorry.
Maybe one more, huh, Richard?
So you don't have a lot of rocks you got to deal with because
What did I do? I just have
because of the fact that you're got pea gravel, which is pea gravel. What is it? How big is the rock sitting? 3/8. Okay. Did it work?
Yeah.
Do they have enough?
Yeah. We need to back through here.
Gang,
Benny, do you have enough in here?
that's good. Do you want one more, or
A little bit?
No, leave it. That's fine.
I think they might need a little bit out here. Do you have enough?
Yeah.
Ricardo. Another wheelbarrow? You want another wheelbarrow?
I think that's enough.
Okay, well, we'll figure it out. I'm gonna tell the driver we're done.
Okay.
If you need a wheelbarrow, I can give you a wheelbarrow.
All right. Sounds good.
Full hopper?
Okay, thank you for watching. I'll have the next episode.